This is a meditation for anyone who is feeling like their mind is racing. I hope that you can use this audio track as an assist, as a guide to calming yourself, even if it's just a little bit. We all experience these periods of increased agility and emotional volatility and heightened cognitive activity from time to time. It's normal. And by taking a moment to pause and listen to this audio track, you're doing yourself a real service. Now, the first thing to attend to is the realization that we can't expect any particular outcome from this practice. Just simply be present. And so what I'll ask you to do next is to find a comfortable seat. You can be lying down on your back or sitting in a chair or sitting seated cross-legged. But what's most important is that you slow down the physical body. Once you're comfortable, bring your attention to your breath and just notice the sensations that arise in your body as you inhale and exhale. Don't feel the need to control your breath to make your inhalations any deeper or more profound than they are naturally. Just simply notice your breath as it is. And if you've come here because your mind is racing, you may notice that your awareness is distracted by those thoughts, that you're constantly being pulled back into thought, and that's just fine. If you notice yourself getting distracted by yet another thought, just simply note that. Say to yourself gently, thinking. And then gently but firmly bring your attention back to your breath. Those natural inhale and exhale patterns. Again, you might find your mind wandering and your thoughts racing to what you need to attend to outside of this meditation or where your day might bring you next. There might be some real challenges that you're facing outside of this meditation. Again, we're not trying to get rid of those thoughts by any means. We're just simply relaxing our awareness, observing those thoughts, but when and where possible, simply noting that we're thinking and once again bringing our attention back to our breath. You're capable. You're capable of handling the challenges that you're facing right now. You're on a path and you will find your way. However great or small your challenges may feel at this moment, you will find a way. And so again, come back to your breath and recognize that this pause that you're taking today is a deliberate act of service along that path. You're nurturing the subtler and finer and more sensitive aspects of yourself. Those aspects of yourself that are crucial in supporting you on your journey. So breathe, inhale, and let the breath just fall out of you. Inhale clarity and calmness, and exhale rush. Exhale the tension, the attachment to the outcomes that you may be seeking. Know that you can return to this audio meditation or to your own, to simply sitting and observing your breath, observing the sensations in your body as you breathe. This is a practice that you can return to at any point in your day for as long as you want. And your thoughts will be there when you return. But again, it's so good to take a moment to slow down. I hope that you feel just a little bit more peace, a little bit more clarity, calmness. If you still find you're ruminating, if you still find your mind is rushing, again, that's okay. Feel free to sit here as long as you like, continuing to observe your breath. Or if you're ready, gently transitioning back into your day and continuing where you left off. To perhaps just slow things down 10 or 15%. As you continue forward with your day. Stay curious, and thank you for taking this time.